Welcome back to the channel, and today I am reviewing the Hyatt Place, Bowling Green, Kentucky. This hotel is conveniently located, you can almost say on campus at Western Kentucky University, home of the Hilltoppers. Really an excellent hotel to stay at if you are attending a sporting event at Western Kentucky, because you can really walk to everything. The reason I reviewed this Hyatt Place, I've reviewed Hyatt Places in the past, but out of any Hyatt Places I've stayed at, this has a very different setup to me. As you can see, the way the desk is here, I mean, this Hyatt Place was actually functional to me. My one gripe with the Hyatt Place hotels are that, I mean, while this one is a cookie cutter design too, as you definitely see similar attributes in the bathroom, but one thing that separated this Hyatt Place apart is that it actually had a dresser where you could put your clothes. It actually had power outlets next to the bed, believe it or not. I mean, actually intended to be, not the ones you have to search underneath the kind of shelf by the bed to plug in your devices. So I was impressed in that regard. One thing to note about this Hyatt Place is that there's only 3 parking spaces out front. They do have a garage though. It's kind of off to the right side there, looking out the window. So you can park there for free. It is usually a paid parking garage, but they do let hotel guests park there for free. This was a king bedroom. And again, with the Hyatt Place, you know what you're getting. No suites, so no upgrade opportunities for me with that. And the couch, and again, the decor is the same as any other Hyatt Place that you'll see. But I was pleased with the functionality of the room, and very convenient location. Again, if you're attending events at Western Kentucky University, I guess at certain times of the year when they have games going on, you will get probably opposing teams staying here as well. But overall, a good stay, convenient location. Breakfast here is grab and go. Didn't really do breakfast, so I don't really have much to say about it. But please consider subscribing if you love this review, and hit the like button. And I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.